Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a fast map of your home on your Qrevo Edge vacuum cleaner. So once you are in the app, over here you should see no map found, and now here you need to tap this gear icon, and now you need to scroll down to the manage maps option over here. Now once you have done that, make sure that the map saving is enabled. Here click create new map and quick mapping at the bottom of your screen over here.
Starting mapping.
Now you need to just wait a moment until it gets done. If you want to stop it and wait a moment, I hope that it won't fall off from here. If you want to stop, here tap pause over here, this button.
Pause.
Or if you want to go to dock, tap dock. Okay.
Returning to dock.
And now he is going back. It is going back to dock. Now we have our map created, and to save that map, we need to click this gear icon, go here to the manage maps, and here as you can see we have save. Click save here and save. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye, have a nice day.